Hi, today I want to share with you some important information that will help you feel soul certain about SolleNatural's SolleCertain quality standard. We have the SolleCertain quality standard listed on our website that you can refer to at any time. I'm going to specifically focus on points 2 and 3 of the SolleCertain quality standard statement. Point number 2 states, we carefully select and verify the appropriate nature of the plant supplement. In accordance with our mind and body blend, this could be whole plant powder, whole plant extract, standardized extract, or a concentrated extract of the material that we're using. We use these extracts and whole powders in all of our formulas. Specifically, I want to focus on one of our top formulas, adaptable, and why it is so important that we use a specific concentrated standardized extract. In adaptable, the standardized extract we use on one of the materials in it is Rhodiola rosea. I have a couple of slides here that show some test results that we performed on Rhodiola rosea. This is an HPLC test that shows basically the footprint of Rhodiola rosea, the material that we're using. Now, it might look a little bit strange to you, but that footprint shows to us certain peaks, certain active peaks that we're looking for. The next graph shows those peaks that we're looking for in the Rhodiola rosea material. We're specifically looking for salidrosides and rosavins. These have been shown, tested, and proven to support anxiety, stress, depression. We want to make sure that we have those active ingredients at the same level or higher with each batch that we do to make sure that you get the same results that you're looking for within each batch. Now I want to move to point number 3 of the SolleCertain quality statement. Point number 3 states, we utilize state-of-the-art tests to ensure absolute purity of each ingredient. This includes tests confirming the absence of microbials, pesticides, heavy metals, and other contaminants. Each of the raw materials that go into all SolleNatural's products goes through an incoming raw material certification. Each raw material is tested for purity, potency, and identity to make sure what we're putting in the product is exactly what was shipped to us. Not only do we test that for when we're making new products or making a new batch of the blend, we also do extended stability testing. Today I'd like to show you an extended stability test that we performed on SolleVital, a key product at SolleNatural's. This SolleVital certificate of analysis is from a lot that was made back on October 29th, 2015. And as you can see on the test result here, we are still free of all contaminants, microbials, any type of yeast and mold or growth, showing that our product is still stable after 5 years. Our best by date on all of our drink products, we use a 3-year best by date, but know that this batch of SolleVital and all of our drinks are still remaining stable much past the stated best by date on the product. Now I want to do something new and unique for this presentation. I want to show some test results of an analysis we did of SolleComplete Dutch Cocoa. We wanted to find out randomly how much naturally occurring minerals and how many naturally occurring vitamins might be present in SolleComplete. We chose SolleComplete Dutch Cocoa and just pulled out a few key vitamins and minerals that these findings we want to share with you. We also wanted to see how stable the probiotics were over a given period of time because they're shelf-stable probiotics in SolleComplete. So I want to bring up this slide to show you the test results that we found. We found out that there are 37.44 milligrams of plant-based, naturally occurring calcium per serving in SolleComplete Dutch Cocoa. We also learned that there are 146 milligrams of plant-based, naturally occurring potassium per serving. When we looked at the coliforming units of the probiotic that we use in SolleComplete, we found that after this sample that we used was older than 6 months, we found out that there are still 6 million coliforming units of probiotics in our SolleComplete Dutch Cocoa. We also tested some vitamins. We wanted to focus on B vitamins, and another one that we knew was going to be prevalent was vitamin C. We noticed that on the results, there are 36% of the RDA of vitamin B2. We also found there were over 100% of the RDA of vitamin B6 per serving of Soul Complete. The most striking result that we found was with vitamin C. We found that there are 2,917 milligrams of naturally occurring vitamin C per serving in Soul Complete Dutch Cocoa. That's 29 times above the RDA, which is completely safe, but gives you that naturally occurring vitamin C that we need for our bodies to function at an optimal range each day. So why can you feel so certain about Soul Natural's products? Just know that every incoming raw material is tested for purity, potency, and identity. Resting assured that you know what is on the label is definitely inside the product. Also, the unique uses of whole herb powders, concentrated extracts, and unique plant parts to get the results you expect, to make sure the product works every time. We stand behind our products with a money-back guarantee. We are confident that you and those you care about will have a positive experience when using Soul Natural's products.